Alright, what's up? This your boy Whitehead. You know I got a new pickup. You know, had to do it. You know, got the new MCM. As you can see, MCM. Got the green belt, the Paradise Green. You know, good leather. Tag. Got it from Bloomingdale's. So it came with a car and everything. Bloomingdale's. So yeah, good leather. You can see MCM with the MCM stamp. Yeah, label on the back. So yeah, new pickup. Let me know how you like it. You know, comment on, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other belt I should get. You know, I'm trying to do these videos now, so just let me know what you like, what I should get next, and what I should do to better these videos. You know, I'm gonna start a whole collection of these. So this is it. You know, MCM Green, Paradise Green. This your boy Whitehead. New pickups coming soon.